day, everyone. We are the group Hydrothermal Renewable Energy. I am Jamelo Mailusong, your reporter for today. First, let's define what is hydrothermal renewable energy. Hydrothermal is also known as water power, is the use of falling or fast-running water to produce electricity or to power machines. This is achieved by converting the gravitational potential or kinetic energy of a water source to produce power. Hydropower is a method of sustainable energy production. The example of hydrothermal renewable energy is the dams. First, let's see how the dams works.
Reservoirs are used to store water and can be created by building a dam across a river or building a dam over the outlet to a lake. Reservoirs are created in order to have continuous access to water. Reservoirs have been created and used since 3000 BCE. Ang mga reservoir ay ginagamit upang mag-imbak ng tubig at maaaring gawin sa pamamagitan ng paggawa ng dam sa kabila ng ilog o paggawa ng dam sa labasan ng lawa. Ang mga reservoir ay nilikha upang magkaroon ng tuloy-tuloy na access sa tubig. Ang mga reservoir ay nilikha at ginamit mula noong 3000 BCE. Ang reservoir is dito nag-i-stack ang tubig ng dam. Dito lang siya naka-stack. Dito na i-imbak yung mga tubig sa reservoir. Yung tubig ng dam is, lahat ng tubig sa dam is dito siya nakalagay. Bale yung lahat ng gumagana sa dam is nasa reservoir. Dam. What is a dam? A dam is a barrier that stop or restrict the flow of surface water or underground stream. Reservoirs created by dams not only suppress floods but also provide water for activities such as irrigation, human consumption, industrial use, aquaculture, and navigability. Yung dam is isang barrier na nagpo-flow o nagsisurface ng mga water sa underground surface streams. Dito is marami siyang nagpo-provide. Hindi lang siya sa water, nagpo-provide din siya ng kuryente. Siya yung nagpo-provide ng kuryente, ng mga human consumption, and aquaculture and activity. What is dam used for? People build dams to control water, to make sure the right amount is at the right place at the right time. River water rises behind dams, forming artificial lakes called reservoirs. The stored water can be used to generate electricity or to supply water for homes and industry, irrigation, or navigation. Ginagamit yung dam is marami siyang nasusuplayan. Like nga yung water can generate electricity. Nakapag-generate siya ng electricity. Ito yung nakakatulong sa atin. Like sa electricity natin. Nagsusupply din siya ng mga water sa bahay natin at industry para sa irrigation and innovation. Water intake is an integral part of the power generation and is directly responsible for the water flow efficiency coming into the dam from a stream, river, lake, or reservoir. The water intake is right at the front of the penstock where water enters the dam. Yung intake is siya yung integral part ng power generation. At siya yung responsibly na sa mga pumapasok na water sa dam katulad ng stream, river, lake, or yung reservoir. Siya yung parang nagkakait sa water na pumapasok sa dam. Siya yung daan para makapasok sa dam yung mga water. Yung water intake is nasa front siya ng penstock para where water enters the dam. Dito nga dumadaan yung water intake sa dam. Siya yung daan. Is an intake in a water supply system. A structure placed in a water source to permit the withdrawal of water from the source and discharge into an intake conduit through which flows a treatment plant. It is called intake.
Control gate. A dam are the larger barrier constructed to raise the level of the water, store and prevent or restrict the flow of the water. And also, they control the flow of the water utilizing the control gate. Control gate are like adjustable valves that control the amount of water flowing through a dam. They can be open or closed to regulate the water level, release water to irrigation, or manage flooding. Penstock. A penstock is a group of pipes that transport pressurized water from a reservoir to the turbines installed in a hydroelectrical power plant. Penstock is a large pipes that can carry water from a reservoir to the turbines. They like pipes in your house but much bigger and stronger to handle a high pressure of water.
One of the part of the dam is water turbine. What is water turbine? Water turbine is the machine that converts the energy of flowing water into electricity energy. A turbine generates power from the combined forces of pressure and moving water, allowing water to flow over the blades rather than striking each individuals. Turbine are used for sites with lower head and higher flow. And the turbine is also known as the one of the important part of the dam because hindi magge-generate ng maayos yung dam kung walang turbine. Kasi yun yung parang LC na umiikot para mag-generate yung tubig ng maayos papunta dun sa dun sa outflow, and yung energy mag-generate siya ng electricity papunta dun sa generator na pagpupuntahan ng electricity na gagamitin ng mga tao sa dam. Outflow. After passing through the turbine, used water is carried through an outlet pipe called a tail trace and re-enter the river on the downstream side of the dam. It may be noted here that run of the river hydropower projects do not require a large dam, although some may use a small dam. Outlet is simply known as the labasan ng tubig sa river. Yun yung mga na-process na yung water na energy, tapos lalabasan ng tubig yung outflow.
Generator contains many strong magnets. So to be able to produce electricity on generator, kailangan muna nito magmula sa turbine na kung saan ang turbine ay mag-i-spin ito ng mga blade na kung saan ang generator ay mapapaikot para makapag-produce ng electricity. The electrical transformer converts the alternating current that the hydroelectric power is generating into a high voltage current. Yung transformer, ito yung kapag kino-convert niya yung supply ng kuryente papunta sa powerhouse. Powerhouse, the structure that houses generators and turbines at the hydropower facility. So, yung powerhouse, ito yung kapag na-convert na yung supply ng kuryente na galing sa transformer. At connected ito sa national grid na kung saan ipinamamahagi ang supply ng kuryente sa domestic and industrial use.
Power line. A conventional dam holds water in a man-made lake or reservoir behind it. When water is released through the dam, it spins a turbine connected to a generator that produces electricity. The water returns to the river on the downstream side of the dam. Power lines are just like electricity highway that carry electricity generated by the dam, home, and businesses. They are usually high voltage line so they can carry a lot of electricity efficiently.
This is a two example of the Philippines. The first one is Magat Dam. Magat Dam located from Isabela. The Magat Dam generates electricity for Isabela, Ifugao, Cagayan, Nueva Ecija, and Northern Luzon. Supporting key cities like Santiago, Kawayan, and Salanao, supporting residential commercial needs with distribution varying regionally. The second one is Pantabangan Dam. Pantabangan Dam is located from Nueva Ecija. The Pantabangan Dam is in the Nueva Ecija is a large dam that provide irrigation to over 100,000 hectares of farmland in Central Luzon. Apart from irrigation, the dam serve as source of electricity through the first-gen hydropower corporation.